Hi everyone, time to introduce you to my new Taser Staff. This is my Taser Staff, the latest custom build out of DangerCreations that's not a prosthetic finger. The Taser Staff starts with a wheelbarrow handle with some plumbing down bottom, nice spike that I've got padded so I don't damage my floor because this sucker is heavy. Some more pipe up top. I think this is 1.25 inches with an external 200,000 volt taser coil. I've got quick connects on this because if you short it out and leave it on too long, you can burn out the coil. So I wanted to be able to change that quickly. Then you've got controls, including a flashlight on and off, as well as a taser arm and a taser control. The flashlight provides the juice for it. This is a standard LED flashlight with a little micro USB charging port, and you can use the switch on the side of the flashlight to adjust it between its modes. Also have a 3D printed low light cap that's red. You can remove that for full light. And then the electrodes you can see here are mounted on an extra sprocket from my electric bike. And I have nails as the electrodes that are attached with magnets so that you can adjust the arc depth to whatever your voltage and power allow. Hope you enjoy. Remember, this is extremely dangerous. Do not try this at home without the proper education and precautions.